So fishing the Nepean River Tench Reserve today. There's the Nepean Bell going fast. That's my setup. Just basic pretty much. So I'm using PVA mesh bags on a running sinker, inline lead, and I've got some glug with me and some PVA bags. I'll show you. So it's some PVA bags, and that's a homemade glug, and I'm using some sweet corn. Now the sweet corn is vanilla flavoured. Just fishing on the bottom, not too far out, probably about 20 meters out, if that. Not into the main channel, but sort of just on the edge of it. See what we can pick up. Beautiful day. It's about 17 degrees, I think, to get up to today. At the minute it's probably about 12 degrees. Slightly overcast. That's what you want. She's a little bit of bread mash and some particles, and it's flavoured with some strawberry jelly crystals, a few other bits and bobs that I won't reveal. I'm just going to try it on. I've no feeder in, cage feeder or anything like that, or inline method feeder or anything, so I'm just going to wrap it around, mould it round the lead, see how that goes in a minute or two. So to anybody who's wondering what species are actually in this river system, I can tell you there's common carp, actually an Asian strain, wild carp, from anything from like probably quarter of a kilo right up there. I think the biggest I've seen caught was a friend of mine a couple of years ago. I think it was 15 kilo. Substantial size of a carp. Caught it in this area. I'm fishing today. So we have carp, we have European perch, they call them red fins or something like that over here. You've got Australian bass, you have freshwater herring, freshwater mullet, you've got eeltail, catfish, you've got eels. I think that's possibly it. The system. It's a nice place to fish. Not doing much today in the midwinter. At the minute I'm just fishing some ground bait, mold it round my inline lead. This consists of breadcrumb, corn, some particles, some sweet and spicy flavourings. And on the hook bait I'm just using one floater corn and 3 natural corn kernels. They have been soaked in vanilla for a few days, so far so good. It's been nice, even on the catch, it's nice to get out. Well, so far the fishing's quiet. I think it's time for a brew. Nice cup of coffee.